Hello, how are you today? It's me, Mr. ChubbyPopChaser. There was an APB put out a couple days ago. Walmart packs are having crazy ratios inside of them. So I had to go and look, and boom! I found a couple. Like 10 or so. I don't know what's in there, but whatever. So stay tuned. This might be a two-part series. Like, subscribe down below. Hit that intro. Why, yes, I got a plethora. Would you say that it's a plethora of books? A plethora of packs? Yes, I do. I got a plethora. So let's see if I got any good ratios. I got my bags and boards. Well, not ready, but they're here. So let's get to this. For this, we're gonna go Hype Beast Supreme box cutter. First pack, the Alien pack. So you guys know, always open through the back because the backing board is the best way, so that way you don't cut anything else. Okay, I'm guessing the big stuff's going to be in the middle. So we'll flip that. This is the Alien. Boom, what we got? Iron Man number 9. I might have to put my glasses on for this. Whoa, look at that. I can see. Iron Man, it's not a variant. It's a regular Iron Man. Okay. And then Fantastic Four. 26, not a variant. So far, not off to a good start. But yeah, people are pulling out some crazy 1 in 1000s, 1 in 25s. So hot in here that my glasses are fogging. So we'll take them off for now. So I had to say yes, let's go for it. Let's do this. Okay, this one's the Extreme Carnage pack. Let's flip this around. On the back, third one we had, but what we got? Immortal Hulk 43, which is a variant. It has 2. The variants. I didn't think this out too well. I don't know where to put them. I guess here for now. And then X-Men's Legends 3. Okay. Another Extreme Carnage pack. But yeah, people getting some crazy hits off of these. So I had to give it a go. Because how can you say no, right? Okay. Extreme Carnage. Seen that already. On the back we got X Factor. This is a variant. This is a 1 in 10, I think. A couple of spine ticks, of course, but And then X-Men 16. Not a variant. So right now it looks like the variants are at the last book. Okay. So we got 2 variants so far. X Factor number 1. I think it's the 1 in 10. That's like a $10 book. Oh, we got Star Wars first. High Republic. So we'll go this way first. High Republic. Then we got the Black Panther, Incredible Hulk Lenticular. And then we get the Phoenix Shang-Chi variant. people call it like action figure variant. Some people call it just like concept variant. So let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Keep it doing this, bro. We'll keep doing this. So for sure now it's the third book. So we're gonna do this. That's garbage. Just gonna go. We got the High Republic again. What we got? Power Pack 2. This is a variant. It says 3. So that's a variant. And then Shang-Chi. Number 2. But this one's not a variant. Alright, so my theory is thrown off because that was the second. The variant was in the second one. But, you know, most of these have spine ticks because, you know, these packs. You have a good presser, you can press most of these spine ticks out. Another Star Wars. That's also a variant, to be exact, because that's a gold lettering, and I think the original original was white lettering. Eternals, number 1. Definitely a variant. Number 1. Third printing. And then, oh, look at this. We got the Spider-Man. Seems like everybody gets this. And this one's actually, well, there's a couple ticks here and here, but. Okay. So, we got one decent one. So far, so good. I'm really just looking for one 1000 variant. It'd be cool to have a 1 1000 variant because I never had a 1 in 1000 variant. All of a sudden it got hot in New Jersey. What the hell? Really? That's the Infinite. No, that's the wrong one. All right, we got the X-Men here, number 1. Better watch out, because my sweatiness could ruin the books. X of Swords. 1411. Nobody really liked X of Swords too much. Then we got Children of the Atom 2, which is a variant. All right. Can't wait for the comments on this one. He's sweating all over the books. That monster. He's so fat. Eat a salad. It's a cross between it's hot in here and I'm just like super excited. So, either way, you're right. I should eat a salad and lose some weight. We got Iron Man 1. Another lenticular. I felt that one. And this. Black Knight, Curse of the Ebony Blade. That is a variant. Sweet. Let's keep it going. We ain't stopping. I ain't stopping till Mama comes home. Whatever that's supposed to mean. But that's when I'm stopping. Yeah! But yeah. Like I said, people pulling crazy heat. Well, that's interesting. We got another Iron Man 1. And most of these books are going to be free gifts on my whatnots. Champions. Okay, Champions Outlawed. Number 2. Second printing. If I read that correctly. And we got Silk. Number 1, which is a Black Cape exclusive. Where do you get these books from? If it's a black, like, really? Did Black Cape sell them to back to Walmart. No, Walmart doesn't make these packs, but who makes these packs? But that's interesting. A black cape exclusive in a Walmart pack. Now, is this a sign that comics are getting too crazy? Bounty Hunters, 1. That's also a variant, if I remember correctly. Thor variant. This is a 3rd printing. 2nd printing. So, are they printing Eternals #1? Definitely a variant. 2nd printing, variant 9. I know how to read the barcode correctly, which I'm not sure, but maybe I do, maybe I don't. So, if store exclusives are in this, where are they buying these comics from? That's what I want to know. Another Bounty Hunters. Another Spider-Man 55. Gleason. And then another Eternals #1. 2nd print. So really, so is it now the black cape? Sell them to these people? Oh, we got like 10,000 of these. Here, take them. Or see that. Now I'm just confused now. Well, how does this work? Like, how do you get these books? Seriously. We got Alien. We got Fantastic Four. 31. Cover A. And then we got, a Peach Momoko Virgin variant. All right. I'm okay with that. So, yeah. Is it now like sports cars that they're overproducing comics now and then don't know what to do with them? Because really, it's kind of weird that, I always thought they would print out 1 in 1,000 variants as needed. What's this? Incredible Hulk 1. Not sure what that is. That's interesting. Oh, we got a Virgin here of #5, Spider-Woman. Who did that? Is that a Kirkham? No, that's I forgot it. Forgot to autograph. Now, once again, my theory. Are they overproducing comic books and thinking people are going to order them? Like, oh, they're going to definitely, this one's going to sell out. 1 in 1,000. 1 in 1,000 is definitely going to sell out. And then they don't, and they're like, oh, what do we do? Like, I'm confused now. So I always thought 1 in 1,000s they would make as they know they need. Aliens again. Fantastic Four again. And Black Knight Virgin again. So now, this makes me think. That was like the exact same pack the other one was in, wasn't it? So they have correlations then, apparently. Of some sort. But yeah, comic books going crazy. I think this is a cool thing. I think whoever makes these bundles should do this at least once a year. Just to keep stuff going. Black Cat. Infinite #1. Iron Man. John Stark, Iron Man. #1. Cover 2. We'll throw that over there. 34. Oh, look at this. Devil Dogs comic. See? Another. That's a nice one, though. But see, Devil Dogs comics. Like, what did. Like, do they want their books showing up in these packs? And how did they get their stuff, like, in these packs? Like, really, where does this company get these comic books from? Anyway, that's nothing here and there. Back to this again, as I was saying. I think they should do this, like, once a year, by surprise. Just to keep that, like, you know, energy going. Aliens, number 2. No, number 8, sorry. Can't even read. Number 8, cover A. They should just keep doing this just for, you know, Scream. Cover 3. Just keep doing this just for, you know, just to keep the hobby on its toes, you know. Don't announce it. Just once a year, you drop it. And boom, you know, people go crazy. Keeps the hobby on its toes. You know, it sells out all the, you know, these packs that nobody wants. Well, for a second there, I thought this had 4. Extreme Carnage. Iron Man. John Stark Iron Man. This is another 3rd cover. X of Swords. Everybody's favorite. Variant edition, it says. So it keeps people on their toes. You know, let's try a new way to open this up. Do it across. No, you gotta go corner to corner. Corner to corner is your best bet. I think it's the best idea. Aliens again. Just get people going. Captain America, Infinite. 3rd cover. And then, oh, there it is, folks. Oh. The 1 in 1,000. Incredible Hulk. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, Lord. That's pretty. Okay. Let me take that up. Oh, that's pretty. That is a pretty. All right, now it's in here. Let's check it out. Let's get my glasses out here. A little staple rub here. That might be able to be erased out. A couple spine ticks, of course, but a little. There might be a micro tear up there. Oh man, but that could still be ironed out. Probably get me like a 9. That's a 9er, 9-2er. But that's awesome. Yeah. Woo. I'm excited. So I got one. Now, is there another one? Can I make it 2 in this whole bundle? Anybody knows any good presses out there? Feel free and tell me. Because, you know, I'm always looking for help. Oh, another lenticular. There'll be a lot of those given out. Now, Stormbreakers, Voices 1. Looks like, no, it's not Virgin. Natasha Bustos. 5th cover, but that's okay. Cool. That is awesome. I'm excited. That's actually the one I was looking for. Because the Silver Surfer Black's pretty cool too, but you know, the Hulk just seems better. Action figure variant has a little in the back. Another one of those. Plenty of those to be given away. And Hybrid Public. So, yeah. 1 in 1,000. Baby. Got it. Got it good. Whoa, what was that? Extreme Carnage. Another Iron Man. John Starks. For your New York Knicks fans, John Starks. Sorry. We got the Tony Stark. There's a variant edition. And this Incredible Hulk, once again. Immortal. Big premiere issue number 43. Okay. I think I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to call this video quits because I can't make this too long for you guys. Because you guys will just get bored completely. But that's awesome. We got one. Infinite. No, X-Men again. I keep calling it Infinite, but it's X-Men. Iron Fist. Oh, that's a new book. Heart of the Dragon, number 4. Cover A. And Thor. Number 10. Cover 4. Nice. Let's see what we got here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. We're going to leave it on 12 over there. I'm not sure how many open in here. I wasn't counting. But let's do this. This corner here is bent. You can see it on the power board. Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully nothing too crazy damaging-wise. Champions Outlawed, number 5. Third cover. And Champions Outlawed again, number 2. And that could be, probably could be pressed out. It's just a little, color breaking. Number 2, second printing. All right, everybody. That's the first part. Thank you for watching. There it is, 1 in 1,000. I'm sending it out to get pressed and cleaned and then graded. And hopefully, it should be above a 9, I think. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. That Delta getting us now. Kids listen to parents. Parents listen to kids. Everybody listen to everybody else. Love you all. ChubbyPopChaser is out.